Welcome to Alkaleaf, the test you've all been waiting for, the pH test. Just a few facts really quick. What a pH actually means. So it means potential of hydrogen. So basically how much hydrogen is in that solution. So we know 0 to 14 is the normal pH levels. 7 is neutral. Anything under 7 is acidic. And anything over 7 is alkaline. So our blood has a neutral pH of 7.35 to 7.45. That's what we like to stay. If any of those numbers are off, we start to see different symptoms. Like our stomach acid should be more like all the way, acidic on the pH scale. Hydrochloric acid is what breaks down our stomach, our food. So if we don't have the enzymes or the hydrochloric acid to break down our foods, that's when we get indigestion. So it's the pH, it deals with everything in the body. I know the new fad is the alkaline water. Just like I was just explaining, it's all a balance. So you really don't want to be getting this hydrogenated solutions like that. It's not the healthiest, even though we know that's the new fad. So let's see. We promote an alkaline diet because in an acidic state, that's where diseases and illnesses like to stay. Cancer causing things. That's why you see like meat, dairy, and things like that are acidic, which can cause disease. So we like to stay more in this neutral, more alkaline phase here. One more interesting fact before we get started is a lot of this water is purified. So I'm already biased against that because purified I don't think is really nutritious. Is basically tap water, and they're just basically purifying it. So, and then with it being in a plastic bottle, which most of these are, so I'm a little biased about that because we know plastic is not good for you. So one last thing is you want your water to be between 6.5 and 8.5. So already these alkaline waters is not going to be where you want your pH level. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to put 2 drops. I already got the water just for time purpose. Put 2 drops in each. I'm going to just go down the line and then I'm going to come back, stir it. Okay guys, we have to take a little break and rearrange everything. Some stuff I was surprised about, but others not so much. So here are all the acidic. So the acidic is here ranging between a 2 and a 6.4 for the acidic water here. And then we move into the middle. This is the neutral water. So we got between a 6.4 and a 7.6 here. So a few things is how these waters say that, what is this? 8.8 is clearly not an 8.8. So some of these things don't tell the truth with that. So I am so proud. This is the water when I asked what brand of water do you drink. This is the brand of water we drink. We get this for our customers, get it delivered all the time. And then the Crystal Geyser we get. Now, all of these are spring water, but this specific, the Fiji, is the artesian spring water. So that basically comes from the rain. It's in between the rock layers in the rain and it rises up. So you get this water. Where the spring water, you just get that natural flow occurring. And that's why it's so good, because you're getting those natural minerals. And then I think this wins the whole pod, and I might be biased because we get it delivered every month. This is what we give our customers with their sea moss, because it's in a glass bottle. So this is for the win. So alkaline is 7.6 to 10. So you want it more in that 7, 8 range. You don't want the 9s and 10s. So this here is that's about a 9, 9.5. And what is it saying? 9.5 on there for that pH. So you don't want to get too high into that alkaline range. You want to stay in this neutral alkaline range. So I'm excited because these were the 3 that I have picked. This is what we drink on a daily basis. Like I said, a lot of these waters are purified, and you can just get them straight off your faucet and just hook up a purifier to your faucet and you'll get the same water and without all the plastic. But yeah, if you want to drink good water, spring water, and we know this isn't spring water, but it's just as good as spring water. Okay, so I was also surprised by these 2, how alkaline they are. This says it's a 7.2 on there, but on this scale it's clearly an 8.0. So that throws me off when it says that the pH is different on there. One thing about the Ice Mountain though, which can make it bad, is it does have a lot of sodium, and it can be known to raise your blood pressure with that. I was kind of disappointed because I had the 2 alkaline waters, but this one is a fake because it's saying it's 8.8, and that's is not that high. It's around a 7.0, 7.6. But the alkaline, I wish I had more of the alkaline. But when I can say when these type of name brand, I guess, alkaline waters, when they say it's a certain alkaline number or a pH number, I feel like it's more accurate when you see it on these more of these name brand ones. But again, 2 alkaline you don't want, and you want to stay in this range. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share if you like this video. Bye bye.